Hey guys, all right, very good. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a delicious food, all right? I'm gonna make today rigatoni with sausages. All right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go, guys. That's what I need to do this delicious rigatoni with sausages. All right, guys, it's very colorful, all right? And that's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, I'm gonna let you know what I have here. I have 1 teaspoon of thyme. I have 1 teaspoon of Italian season. I have 2 onions. Doesn't have to be big onions, medium, right? I have here 11 ounces of spinach. I have here 8 sausage. I have 4 hot and 4 sweet. All right, guys. But don't forget to take the casing. All right, remove the case. Also, I have 2 green pepper. That doesn't have to be big, doesn't have to be small, medium, right? I have 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. If you guys doesn't have hot sauce, if you guys doesn't like hot sauce, all right, just don't use, all right? Also, I have here 6 cloves of garlic. I have here 1 teaspoon of rosemary, all right, guys, to bring the flavor together. All right, guys, also I have here 1 teaspoon of oregano. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 stick of butter. I have 1 cup of white wine. Also, I have 2 cups of heavy cream to bring that delicious flavor, guys. All right, here I have some parsley just for decoration. Here I have a half cup of chicken stock. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, just don't use, right? Also, I have here 2/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Guys, I have a rigatoni pasta. All right, I have a 16 ounce. All right, 16 ounce. All right, guys. First, I'm going to start this with my butter. All right, guys. So my fried pan, you need a large fried pan, right, to do this. I have my butter there. Next step, guys, next step I'm gonna use my garlic. All right, garlic you have to cut finely sharp, okay? Finely sharp, guys. All right, very good. So now, here, all right, now let's cook this garlic. All right, guys, this garlic has to be brown. All right, I see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, now my garlic, it's ready. All right, I have here the nice color, the gold color. All right, so now my next step is gonna be my onions. All right, very good. It's looking good. All right, now I'm gonna let this cook. All right, I'm gonna cook the onions and I will be right back. All right, guys, my onions is cooked. All right, now it's time for my sausages. All right. Also, guys, don't forget to take the case, right? Remove the case, right? Also, if you guys doesn't like it, the hot sausage, just don't use the hot sausage, all right? Use the sweet, but I love it. I love to mix both of them, all right? So you have to squeeze the sausage. Right, mix it up, right, and let the sausage get ready. Right, has to cook the sausage. Right, so guys, I see you guys a little bit. Right, guys, my sausage is cooked. You guys can see that. All right, so now my next step is gonna be my green peppers, right? right? So now I have to cook my green peppers, right? So we can go the next step, all right? See you guys very shortly. All right, guys, I let my green pepper cook a little bit, all right, before I go to the next level, all right? Right now, I'm gonna put the thyme, right, very good. Next step is gonna be my Italian seasoning, my rosemary, my oregano, right, my salt, very good. Now my black pepper, right, and my hot pepper. You guys can use any hot sauce you guys want, all right? I use my favorite. So now let's cook these vegetables, all right? Before we go the next step, right? See you guys a little bit. All right, guys, my green pepper now is cooked. All right, you guys can take a look. All right, looks good, and they smell very delicious, guys. All right, now my next step is gonna be my wine. All right, I have to let my wine cook a little bit, okay, to disappear a little bit more the water, right, in the wine. So let's cook a little bit more, all right, the wine, right, guys? I'll be right back. All right, guys, I let my wine cook for 2 minutes, all right, to reduce a little bit the wine, all right? So now, don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go, guys. Now it's time for my rigatoni. Very good. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. All right, guys. So I don't want my pasta get stuck together. All right. So just stir a little bit. All right. So now my rigatoni, it's cooking. All right, my sauce is ready for the next step. All right, that's gonna be my spinach. All right, guys, you can put it slowly. All right, very good. All right, it's going to reduce. Right. Sometimes people say, "Oh my God, it's too much spinach," but it's not. They reduce, right? Just a little bit more. Very good. So I'm going to reduce my heat, okay, for medium. Let's cook this spinach. Hi, guys. See you in a little bit. All right, guys, now my spinach is ready. All right, I let cook a little bit extra so the sauce be a little bit disappear, right? Disappear a little bit more the sauce. Okay, so now it's a little bit glossy, right? So now let cook just a little bit, right? I'm gonna check now my rigatoni. All right. Very good, guys. My rigatoni is cooking. It's not ready yet. All right. So let's this baby cook. All right. So now my next step it's gonna be my chicken stock, guys. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go, guys. This is almost done, right? So that's my chicken stock. Now I'm gonna let cook a little bit my chicken stock. Okay, guys. You have to cook a little bit. What I'm gonna do, guys, well, it's in high. I'm gonna do in medium, right? Lower to medium. Let this cook. Let's see you guys a little bit. All right, guys. I let my chicken stock to cook for 2 minutes in medium high. All right, so reduce, right, the water a little bit, right? So now it's time for my heavy cream, guys. All right, so it's where the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, that looks great. Very good, guys. Look at that. All right, I stir a little bit here, there. All right, and now my heavy cream has to cook. All right, so I want that thick. It's gonna be gloss. All right, guys, that's when it's ready. All right, so it's medium. Right, so okay. Let's cook. Let's check my pasta. Not ready yet. All right, guys, let's cook a little bit more. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I let my heavy cream cook for 5 minutes. All right, in medium high heat. All right, so now it's time for my Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese, guys, you just put slowly. Okay, go slowly. Stir. Right, it's gonna be nice and gloss. Very good. All right, start to thick. Okay, a little bit more. Very good. Now stir it a little bit here, there. Very good. All right, guys, and I'm gonna let this cook for 2 minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, my sauce is ready. You guys can see that, nice and gloss. All right, nice and gloss. Very good, guys. Also, my rigatoni is ready. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain the water, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right. Woo! Hey guys, now I'm gonna show you the final dish. All right, it looks beautiful, and I'm sure it's gonna taste good. All right, but I'll let you know. All right, take your time. All right, take your time. Don't rush. All right, it's gonna come out very good. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you know. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Let's see. Ooh, that smells so good. So good, guys. And the sauce is nice and gloss. All right. Just take your time. Look how beautiful it looks, guys. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some fresh pepper. All right. Because I love pepper. Very good. I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese. All right. And I'm ready to take the first bite. All right. Wow. Wow, guys. This is unbelievable. All right. This is perfect. Perfect rigatoni with sausage. All right. It's melting all over my mouth. All right. It's very good, guys. I have to take another bite. All right? Wow, this is unbelievable. Excuse me, guys, but it's delicious, right? Hey guys, you guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.